So I definitely think I should be a redhead. Oh my gosh, Sparky Sparks here. This is new hair. This is my favorite style, showstopper, in rusty auburn. Gorgeous, isn't she? And so this is how it comes, with a zigzag part. Now I've heard recently that gals are trying to put in a zigzag part. So if you like the zigzag, these usually come with a zigzag part. Now the sun in my kitchen is kind of going crazy, so we're just gonna work with it. This is what I do, comb down the part. There's a lot of free parting space. So we can just part the hair wherever we want. And this is just gorgeous. I love the colors. This is a really light, low density wig. My goodness. A friend of mine said, do the do, right? So I love this do. My goodness. What do you think? I'll do some still photos outside too for you. Have a great day.